Moses, and they made that tabernacle for the Lord, and then he's talking about these people. He says you can only eat certain things. Okay, and you can eat fish with fins.
Fish with fins?
Fins, fins and scales. But he didn't want them to eat anything else. He just wants them to eat that because of, I'm not sure why, and certain birds.
Yeah, only God knew.
Yeah, he knew what, and it was like, I don't know. Animals are very special that we don't really understand that the Lord has special animals that are dear to him and sweet. Yeah.
Well, of course.
So anyway, I've never read this before in my life. Hi, Shelley. It's so interesting.
It is. Thank you for sharing, Mom.
And the carcass of every beast which divideth the hoof, and is not cloven-footed, not cheweth the cud, are unclean unto you, and every one that touches them shall be unclean.
Uh-oh. You said that's in the New Testament?
No, the Old.
Oh, the Old Testament. Okay, the one that,
This was all.
yeah, it's kind of old school.
Away,
Sure, yeah.
But it's so interesting what they have.
But some people don't eat certain animals because they consider them, they roll around in stuff. Yeah.
We weren't allowed to touch a dead carcass. Otherwise,
That was probably smart.
Yeah.
Real good advice.
Mouse and the tortoise, they couldn't eat.
Oh, not even turtles.
Stroke occurred. CV event risk increases in age 50.
So how does Dept Brothers...
Family. Christ. Faith. Something worth fighting for. Including good shows. Yeah, you can't go wrong with the Kevin Costner show. Is that the baseball show?
Yeah,
What is it called again, Mom?
It's, you build it and they will come.
Oh, yeah, something like that. Okay, it's not showing the correct title. It's still showing Heartland.
Yeah.
Okay, well, enjoy your stuff, Mom.